Guitarists tend to know that if they plug into an amplifier and they boost gain and they begin to experience that kind of distortion, and then at the output stage what they want to do is to attenuate volume so that signals don't get too loud, they're used to this idea of a sort of two-stage volume control, which has implications for more than just volume. It has implications for tone and the feel of a sound. And what it's easy to forget when we just start chaining plugins together is that we have an opportunity to change the volume relationship between one before it then moves into the next. So when you're experimenting with plugins, look for input and output volumes, and if there aren't any, use gain controls in between plugins so that you're in a position to boost the volume of one plugin before it goes into another. And particularly if you're working with plugins which have tape saturation or model the behavior of the way that tape works, you'll find there's a huge difference between what happens when you hit those plugins hard with a hot level compared to a quiet one. You'll find that the way that the volume and the tone interact becomes really interesting.